Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this very, I don't know, it was supposed to be sparkly. It is sparkly if you look at it like this, but I'm not sure if it's coming across in camera. Yeah, like I said, today I'm doing this look, and if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with brows as usual, and I am using the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. And next I'll be priming my lids, so I'm using the Thank Me Later eyelid primer from Mott. And today I am using the Magic palette by Juvia's Place, and I will start with the color Casey. This one, and I will be putting this below my brow. And next I will do my best to go in very lightly with the color Ife or Ife, I don't know. It looks kind of blue, but when I swatched it, it was purple. I think next I will be going in with the color Ozone, I don't know. And I will be putting this on the inner portion. And next I'm going in with the color Suba, which is a slightly darker pink shade, and I will be putting this on the center part of the lid. Like so. And next I'm going in with the color Ife or Ife, or whatever it was called. And I'm putting this on in the outer corner. And next I'm going in with the Cake eyeliner in black from Makeup Store. And next I'm going in with the, well, a black inliner from färg. And I'm putting this on my upper waterline. Ooh, I gotta sharpen this though. So, and for mascara, I'm using the Emotion Allowed mascara from Icona Milano. I can tell that my battery is running out. So I will do my base off camera this time, and I will be right back to finish the eyes and the rest. So just hang on a moment and I'll be right back. And now I am going back in with the color Osun, the light pink one. And I will be putting this in my inner corner. Now I'm going back in with the color Ife, something, the dark one, and I will be putting this below my and I'm going back in with the inliner from färg, and I'm putting this in my lower waterline. And back in with the Emotional Loud mascara. And next I'm going in with the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal. And now I'm doing the rest of my face. So I'm taking the colors Maffei and Cigar from the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I am using this as the bronzing or contouring. And for blush, I'm using the color Pinwheel, just this one. And for highlight, I'm using the color Milky Way. And next I will be trying out the glitter flip from Ciaté. And this is in the color Fortune. And according to the instructions, we wait a minute and then I will press my lips together and we'll see how it turns out. In the meantime, I think I shall apply some lashes, and today I am using the Violet Voss Fluff It Like It's Hot lashes, like so, and that was well above a minute. But yeah, let's try this. It is actually a bit more glittery. I think maybe if you apply it with the applicator instead of a brush, maybe it will work even better. Obviously my lips are looking wonky as shit right now. Anyways, I will just go with the smudged look for today. But anyways, this is the finished look. Yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and and if you did enjoy this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought about this video or tutorial or whatever. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!